Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. This is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. I am Moses. If this is your first time visiting my channel, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you as well. Today, we're in my grow room. We're going to do an update on the microgreens that I planted. At the time of watching this video, it would be about 11 days. So let's take a look and see how they're coming along. So this is the Vigo grow table stand that was sent to me, and we did a video on that. I'll go ahead and put the link up for that. At the time of the airing of the video, we planted microgreens, and if we walk a little closer, you'll see that they have germinated and are looking phenomenal. These are the bright and spicy microgreen mix, kind of like a salad. And if we take the covering off, it would appear that we have close to 100% germination rate. They are looking phenomenal. Now, we are probably going to let these get bigger, and then we're going to start eating off of them. I'm not sure if I need the covering on them or not. I'm going to go ahead and take it off later on today, but as you can see, they are looking great. These are the Waltham 29 broccoli microgreens, and as with the spicy blend, we have probably close to 100% germination rate. And I'm going to go ahead and take the top off of these as well and let them get bigger before we actually eat them. And as I said, I'm really happy with the way everything is coming along with these two. If you're interested in purchasing these seeds, I got them from Hoss Tools. I have a link for them in my description portion of the video as if you're interested. But overall, everything is looking fantastic. So here we are with the covers off of them. This is the spicy mix, and as you can see, let's just go ahead and call it 100% germination rate. They look great. Then they will get, like I said, I want them to get a little bigger before we start eating them in salads or just eating them as a snack. Now, the broccoli, as I said, we're going to do the same thing with them, and they're looking great also. So I figure within a couple days, maybe 3 to 4, these should be ready and ready to go to eat. So we're going to give you a quick update too on our peppers that we recently uppotted. And these are 4 types of bell, 1 green and 1 yellow, 1 orange, and 1 red. And we also have jalapenos, and they are looking great. So hopefully by mid to late February, these will be strong enough and big enough for me to plant outside. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this real quick update. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you got something out of it, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment and I will reply. Are any of you growing microgreens? And if so, what type? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.